morning. It is time for me to bleach my hair again. So let's get her going. I got about 2 hours before Sally Beauty opens and I can get some toner. So we're just gonna bleach it and then we'll go and get my toner and then I gotta get dog food and then we'll come back and we'll tone it. So let's get started. So this is currently what I'm working with. You can kind of see my roots are pretty grown out, but not too horrible. How much is that? It's hard to tell with the purple in there. I might get some banding because that's a good 1.5 inches. I don't know. I don't want to take that much of a process. I was gonna do it before, but then I got bit by a dog. Now my hand is functional again, so it's time. But now I'm like concerned that it's too grown out. But we'll find out. We'll find out. We'll find out. Yeah. My tub feels very, very light. I think it'll be just enough. It should be enough. It's about like 2-3 scoops. Should be fine. Should be fine. Yeah, we're fine. I am using my giant jug of 20 volume because I buy in bulk because I am a cheap bitch. Cannot forget the gloves. When I first started doing my hair and like bleaching the living hell out of it, it was a journey for sure. I definitely fried my underside of my hair, like back here, and that is why I shave it. Well, I used to use like the box bleaches, the box dyes. Then I realized that it actually wasn't more cost efficient. You pay for what you get for what you pay for what you get. So I just decided, you know what, if I buy these 2 bulk freaking things, then I can just easily do it multiple times, as opposed to going and buying the freaking boxes. Also, the boxes, you don't know what you're getting. That looks good enough, right? Yeah. In the long run, I feel like it's cheaper to do it this way, especially like once you get it down. And that's the great thing about having short hair too, is that if you mess up, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Gonna comb out this greasy mess. I love how my hair is just like, I can't remember, do I start from the back or the front? I think you started from the back. I can't remember. We're just gonna go in because I don't feel like taking all this separate little sections and crap out. So we're just gonna work our way forward. Fuck it. I wasn't thinking about doing the sides, but whatever. We'll do the sides. At least I wasn't gonna do it this early. But my biggest thing is I don't want to end up with like spots. I need to make sure I get it all the way forward because more than half the time I end up missing spots in the front. And so I have like little dark patches and that drives me insane. Make sure to get it nice and slathered. Whoa, that's a lot. It's fine. It's fine. Better with more than less. I'm hoping the sides of my head is not too long, that it will process weird. We gon' find out. We gon' find out. Probably should have just done the roots first and then did the ends later, but that's too much work. Who wants to do that? My hair was green before doing purple conditioner over top. So you're gonna see all that color change. This is gonna end up horrible in my opinion. I don't have faith. Oh, it's going blue. Oh my God. We're just gonna hydrate this brush a little bit. And then we get our cute little plastic bonnet and we wait. Cool. All right, time for the reveal. Oh, yeah, we yellow. We yellow. But honestly, being wet and having it this yellow, like you can't even tell really the blue. I mean, at least not on camera. Honestly, not too bad. I thought the banding was gonna be a lot worse. Draco. Yeah, we definitely need to go get some toner because this yellow moment with the weird green in the front. We're gonna go get some toner and then we'll be back and we'll tone it up first. We gotta put a wig on because I am not going out like Draco Malfoy. Malfoy. Really should put makeup on, but if I'm gonna be toning it, yeah, I just, everybody loves this wig so much. I just can't My face with no makeup and wigs. Much better. I fucked up. Got on the highway because I'm like, ooh, speedy fast highway. It's a dead stop traffic. I finally got through the mess. It was literally a semi truck that was filled with fucking trash, that the back door just fucking burst open and then must have like gotten all over the fucking highway. So they had to literally go through and like sweep up all of the fucking mess. But traffic started finally moving. Never seen that before. I'm back. I got the toner. Hold on. Now I know what you're gonna say. No T18, but I did T18. My hair is freaking blonde. I think my hair is wide enough that the T18 will be good because I've done it before and it looks fantastic. So we gotta wet my hair first. Oh, that is cold. Good to go. Okay, you can see the blue. No, you can't see it in the freaking video. It's literally like a very faint pastel baby blue. So this is one part of this and 2 parts of this. I think I'm gonna do a half a tablespoon of this and then a whole tablespoon of that. Okay, so gloves because no one likes purple hands. I'm just using my finger because I don't want to dirty another brush, because why use a brush when all you have to do is just slap the shit on your head. To go quick with it because then otherwise you have parts that are purple and parts that are yellow. I think we're good. Probably should have changed my shirt. I think I got everything. Cap back on. Good, 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 good. Okay, that was much faster than the bleaching. I gotta clean up my mess now because I don't want a bunch of purple splotches all over my floor. All ready for this? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Still like lavender and I freaking love it. Freaking love it. But yeah, I put some mousse in there because I am slacking and I should be already hanging out with my cousin, and I failed. If it wasn't for traffic on I-25, I would have been fine. But no, a truck just had to unload its entire load all over the freaking freeway. I love it. I'm happy to be a platinum again. So over the dark purple. I'm not a fan of the dark colors, even though everyone loves them on me. I don't like it. Okay. Bye. Have a nice day.